Alright, boys, throw your pencils out tonight. On tonight's episode, we're going to draw DHARAK Colossus. One of the strongest, I'm going to say Bakugan mech suits. At least it looks like it is. Anyhow, DHARAK Colossus is one of the Toys R Us exclusive Bakugan, and no, Toys R Us isn't there anymore. I just feel kind of bad that it's gone. But don't worry, folks. I'm sure it's around here somewhere. I mean, I saw it in Queens on the way back from it a few days ago. I just hope it comes back again soon. I just have a lot of memories there, including the Pokemon trading card exclusive thing. That was my first trading card event. I just hope we could see it again. It only showed up on 2017. So I wish I should have gone there. I would have learned how to play the game so easily. Okay then, next up, you just have to draw the eyes here. DHARAK Colossus has multiple eyes on his body. And that's one of the features that he has. And, well, I don't know what I'm dealing with here. DHARAK Colossus started out green, but it has this amped form that looks like, orange-ish, I guess. I don't know why it's orange, though. I prefer the green one even better. Now here's Here's his foot. Or here's DHARAK Colossus's foot. Now, here's the whip. Here are the spikes here. Here's this foot. Here's his other foot. We're almost there. Now all we have to do is draw the stinger. Now we draw this thing. This thing is his stinger. Now here's the stinger here. There we go. That's the stinger. Last but not least, we draw these small thrusters on the back. There we go. That's how you draw DHARAK Colossus. And as a reward for watching me draw this guy, we're gonna review the actual DHARAK Colossus itself. And of course, I don't know where the light bulbs went. This thing is light activated, but I don't know how it happened, how it got deleted. Anyways, to transform it, you must put the feet, show the feet up. But sometimes they just knock over, so just snap them into place like this. Then these are the two battle gears, SMASHTOR and RIPTOR. You put them in the opposing claw to make them look like arms. But sometimes the gears will unfold unless the tail is up. Now you just move this into place. You just plug it into this. You just put it into the hub here. They call this hub called EXACOR. This hub is called EXACOR. Yes, that's it. It has a name. Now we just plug these two in to EXACOR. Now, we just put this Bakugan in. This one is DHARAK. Yes, he does have the capability of using battle gear, like its own air core. It takes time for it to work. And last but not least, we unfold the rest of it, starting with the claws. Yeah, the claws here are, openable. Same goes for RIPTOR. Sorry, it's missing a piece. I mean, I had this a long time. I mean, the light bulbs, I didn't get to change the batteries. Well, these things look just like arms. They look different than the ones in the show. I mean, DHARAK Colossus's claws here are supposed to be feet. It unfolded differently, just like in the toy series. Well, how come the toy series looks different than the one we saw in the show? Is it TV exclusive? Is this what DHARAK Colossus looks like in toy form? I mean, we should really do something about that. I mean, DHARAK Colossus isn't the only thing I got. I also have a Dragonoid Colossus right here. Give me a second, please, here, guys. This won't take long. I mean, how far must you go to collect all 7 Bakugan stuff? Blasteroid. Here. I mean, I do have Dragonoid Colossus right here, just to compare the two. I mean, I don't exactly have time to unfold the battle gear or anything. I mean, I'm putting this to a debate on which Bakugan Colossus is stronger, Dragonoid or DHARAK. Leave a comment below on which one of them is tougher. And I want you to subscribe to this channel for allowing me to draw DHARAK Colossus. You guys have been waiting so patiently for us to draw something so strong, just like Dragonoid here. I'm sure I'll get a lot of views this way. Anyways, please like your rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which one these interesting Bakugan you want me to draw next in the comments below. I'm always here. I'm never gonna stop. I'm gonna make sure I draw all of them to make you guys proud. Anyways, Stegosaurus, see you later.